Good morning, Admissions Committee at IIM Udaipur. My name is Shivam Garg. I'm a software engineer by profession. I did my engineering from Canada, after which I worked in Los Angeles at a startup for a year. In fact, sold that business profitably. After that, I worked at UAE remotely, and then I am currently working at Taurus as a lead engineer. My motivation for the MBA program at IIM Udaipur stems from my experience as an intern, as an employee, and as a business partner. Currently, I feel inadept and inadequate when I'm carrying out my day-to-day responsibilities as I'm leading a team of 10. I think that requires a certain skill in management that I don't currently possess, for which I'm approaching IIM Udaipur. Secondly, IIM Udaipur offers an unparalleled network, which I think will be valuable if I am to do my future business venture in between the US and India. Also, I'm looking to get some mentorship from professors such as Elizabeth Rose and Sai Prakash Iyer. I think getting that valuable guidance is a must for as they have themselves had such a background as me that I would like to know my possible mistakes or be prevented from the possible repercussions that I could have. And lastly, it's because of the I want to understand. I've been in background roles so far. I want to understand the dynamics of people that are played. I want to be in more front-end client-oriented roles that I think an MBA would definitely get me in the short term. And of course, doing all of this in Udaipur, which is the city of lakes, is going to be a blessing. And it's going to be a lot of fun when you have such a team and when you're in between people who are competent, dedicated, uh, and prosperous in their own fields. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye bye.